That's me 3D heart that I printed off a Thingiverse. It took ages. I split it into 3 parts, and in total it took about 14 hours to print. It was blooming ages. So you can turn it. And I did the one which turns about 6 times. I think you have to turn things around to get it to go back into its original position. It turns very smoothly, he says, having a hard time turning it, but oh, yeah, it's still not right. All of a sudden it will go, no, it's still not right. There you go, and bonk back into heart shape.
Turn around.
Yeah, turn it round, there you go.
Yeah, let's look a bit closer to it.
Yeah.
It's very clever.
Yeah, it was relatively easy to print actually, as long as you split it up into bits on there, because obviously there's individual cogs on each bit, and then inside, right in the middle, is a mounting thing, and you print these sort of little pin clips on the thing. Yeah, so it didn't require any real cleaning up. It actually just sit it on there and just leave it to do. It's just the time.
And your
it
fiancé
takes.
was very happy.
And my fiancé was very, very happy with it as well. Anyway, thank you very much, everybody.
Take your hands off. Let's have a look at it. There we are. It's beautiful.